has sprung, and it's time to talk dips for those upcoming family and friends get together. And here are some dip tips. It's our very own Managed Mom, Rachel Harris. Good morning. How are you?
I am good, Brad. How are you today?
I'm very good. You know what's so funny is that I know Shamrock about milk. You know, they've been around since 1922. And I forget about they have these great sour creams, these great ways to spice up your dipping experience, which is really nice.
Yes, because spring has sprung. It's my favorite season, and people are having March Madness parties, Easter celebrations, bridal showers. So I brought you and our viewers 4 delicious dips that are all savory and simple to make. There's 6 ingredients or less, and they all have the high-quality, farm-fresh ingredients from Shamrock Farms, our local favorite, right?
I love it. Let's. Where do we start?
All right, let's dive in. But first, I don't want to forget to tell you, all the recipes can be found easily on Instagram. Go to @ShamrockFarmsMilk.
Oh, cool. I love it. Okay.
Okay, so this one is the white pizza dip. And when your company sees this hot skillet presentation, and here's it's called white pizza dip, they're going to crowd around. This has Shamrock Farms cottage cheese, and it has a nice smooth texture, so it works for both sweet and savory recipes. And it's also got sour cream in that. Doesn't that look good, Brad?
Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. Oh, all right.
All right, you wore your apron,
yes,
so I'm going to put you to work. Let's make the Arizona dip. How's that sound?
Which one? This is Arizona dip?
I know, look at this gorgeous display. My friend, business partner Julie made that for me. Isn't that gorgeous?
Wow, that is a pretty board right there.
Okay, here's how you do the dip.
What
we are going to do a cup of Shamrock Farms natural sour cream that's already in there.
Okay.
Let me have you dump in some green onion for that pop of spring color.
All right.
How about some bacon?
Oh, yeah, bacon.
Put that in there.
Gotta love the bacon.
Let's do some shredded cheddar cheese, because cheese, please. Everybody wants cheese.
Yep, cheese, please.
And a little dash of garlic salt.
All right.
And go ahead and mix that around. Look how simple this is.
This is great.
Yeah, mix that around. And while you're doing that, let me tell you that the sour cream is handcrafted with a simple blend of pure fresh milk and cultured cream. So it comes out perfect every time.
Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Is this it?
That's it. And then I'm not going to make you plate it. We already did that for you. But you would top it with some bacon and some green onion. Maybe there, they can see it. Great.
Ooh, yeah.
Doesn't that smell good too, that green onion? And you know, I served this a few weeks ago. I had company, and the next day we had some left over and put it on bagels. It was perfection.
Look at this.
Yes.
See, that's why you're the Managed Mom.
That's it.
I love it too.
Don't
okay,
forget
what's
the
our next one?
Managed Mom. Okay, this is a creamy tortilla chip dip. That's fun to say, right?
Yep.
And for this one, we're using the heavy whipping cream. And did you know, Brad, that this Shamrock Farms variety is used by a lot of the chefs in the Valley? You knew that, didn't you?
Even me. I was just going to say, this is my go-to right there.
Do you know why?
Because it's nice and thick and nice and creamy.
And it makes a nice tip, a peak, a nice peak for dips and desserts. And there's also this sour cream that's in there as well. And if you notice, we've used sour cream now 3 times. So we're stretching your grocery dollar.
I like that.
See?
All right, and our last one.
Last but not least, the spicy avocado dip. Of course, fresh avocados. And the crema mexicana, which is my favorite product on the table, blended with real sea salt. So delicious. There's also serrano pepper in there, jalapeno peppers. Again, your guests will love it. And again, remember, just go to Instagram at Shamrock Farms.
It's all done for you, right?
All done.
That cream's already done. All got the spices and everything in there, right?
You know what? It's creamy. It's the texture. That's what it's all about. You can drizzle it nicely on top of your recipes. A little bit thinner than traditional sour cream. And it's got that sea salt. Oh, so good. Remember, go to @ShamrockFarmsMilk on Instagram and ShamrockFarms.net for lots more recipes and to also see their store locator, Brad.
There you go. I like that. And again, one of our favorites, been around since 1922.
That's it. We love Shamrock Farms, and we love these dips. Happy spring.
Thank you very much. Want more information, as she mentioned, right there on the screen, or you can head on over to the CW7AZ.com.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of Shamrock Farms by Managed Mom, LLC.